Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Xiaomi may be developing more 18 Pro camera surprises to look forward. New details have surfaced, suggesting the Xiaomi 18 Pro's main rear camera may not be the only big news about this device. According to the latest preliminary news data, new Leica camera updates are just around the corner. The new upcoming Xiaomi 18 series may hit the market with a massive camera upgrades and smartphone characteristics. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Xiaomi's camera upgrades for the Xiaomi 18 series may extend to more devices than previously anticipated. According to a reliable source, even the Xiaomi 18 could feature a dual 200-megapixel cameras with Leica tuning. Xiaomi hasn't replaced the Xiaomi 15 Ultra or the more compact Xiaomi 15, however the Xiaomi 17 and 17 Ultra are already on sale in China. Therefore, tech leaker like Digital Chat Station have now turned their attention to what awaits the successors to the Xiaomi 17 series. Digital Chat Station previously described potential camera upgrades coming to the Xiaomi 18 Pro and Xiaomi 18 Pro Max. Now, they've reported that all 6.3-inch models will receive upgrades beyond the 50-megapixel cameras found in the Xiaomi 17 and Xiaomi 17 Pro. Therefore, it appears Xiaomi's entry-level flagship will feature dual 200-megapixel cameras. Writing on Weibo, the leaker claims to have received exclusive information that Xiaomi is evaluating this upgrade. As a result, there's every chance that future Xiaomi 18 and Xiaomi 18 Pro prototypes could feature different camera image sensors. However, all Xiaomi 18 series flagships will be equipped with Leica camera lenses. In addition, Insider Digital Chat Station also claims that the front camera will feature a custom-built small pixel sensor. That's more than obvious. How else would Xiaomi be able to fit a 100-megapixel camera in such a tiny front screen punch hole? Implementing a dual rear camera with 200-megapixel lenses, likely covering the main and the zoom, and including a 100-megapixel front camera does sound exciting. This setup may turn the Xiaomi 18 Pro into a real-world camera replacement for many users, though professionals may not be tempted. Xiaomi is currently expected to unveil the Xiaomi 18, Xiaomi 18 Pro, and Xiaomi 18 Pro Max in China in September to October this year. Meanwhile, the company is expected to launch the Xiaomi 17 and Xiaomi 17 Ultra globally by the end of February. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.